was 46, the dew point 28, and the relative humidity was 50%. The National Weather Service in Bloxton has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all of the Bloxy district and the Bloxshore Islands. This is a test message. No severe weather is active or is occurring at this time. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of the Bloxy district tornado drill and is a part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test message. Now is a good time to practice your severe weather plans in case of an actual warning or severe weather situation such as a tornado. This is a test message. Take shelter on the lowest floor of a building or get under a workbench or other sturdy piece of furniture that can protect you from flying debris. This is a test message. This was only a test tornado warning as part of the Bloxy district tornado drill and for Severe Weather Awareness Week. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Bloxy Daylight Time for all of the Bloxy District and the Bloxshore Islands. This concludes this severe weather drill. We will now resume to our normal weather programming.